friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be converting some waste of my house into something useful and aesthetic, which can be used for different purposes and home decoration also, so that we can reduce waste and recycle them. So without any further ado, let's get started. From this plastic bottle, we are going to make a bird feeder. It's very simple and using very less materials you can make it. So let me show you how. So 2 pencils here. For that also we'll make here total 4 holes. These are the 2 stands on which bird will sit and eat the food which will be inside it. In place of pencil, you can use any hard rod and make sure that the hole is not that big. It should be small and it should hold the pencils or the rod tightly. Now we will make small windows here from where bird will sit here and eat the grains. So now we made 2 windows here. Similarly, to tie this, we have to make 2 holes here. So our bird feeder is ready. You can place this in a branch of a tree or hang it in your balcony itself, and you will see birds will come and sit here and feed it from here. In case if the hole has become big, then you can adjust with sellotape. So this is how you can feed birds. So using this cup, let's make a fancy pen stand. Less than 5 minutes, using very few material, we converted this waste plastic into a beautiful looking holder which is multi-purpose, and you can use it in n number of ways, and I guarantee you wherever you use it, it will enhance the beauty of that place. Now let's see what we can make out of this tissue roll. What we did with this tissue paper roll, you can see just drawing random shapes and filling color, give it a nice mosaic print, and with this vibrant color it will surely enlighten your room or your place. You can use light in this and you can just keep it like this also, and it is looking so gorgeous. So I have this old calendar and few old bangles. Let's see what we are making with this. So friends, our motivational wall hanging is ready with old calendar and bangles. Isn't it looking pretty? Friends, I showed you how I recycle my waste into something useful and something aesthetic. I hope you all are also doing the same. If you are, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Share with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. Bye.